Some discuss very important one, that is called how to add the Facebook page plugin on your Blogger site. There is a Blogger or website. The same procedure will be using for the Blogger and the website. First of all, select your social icon, your Facebook page. The URL will be using by the developers.facebook.com/doc/plugin/page-plugin. In this simple copy the URL, your Facebook page URL. So automatically your page will be displayed by here. So what is the option you required? Select your width and height. Your wish. How much width you can select by? The starting minimum 150, finish for 500. Suppose you can select by 180. Suppose like this. Is a width. Suppose 250. I'm not selecting any width. The customize. Next, height 80. So clear? So these are your particular options. Or else 90. So not interested in any showing for height. See this. They're showing your post option also. Is it clear? They're showing your post option and everything. And use small header. And I'm not showing any front faces. If you hide cover photo, so it will be like this. Suppose height, I'm selecting for 150. Clear? The simple one. Suppose you can show for header. Clear? This will be showing for header option. Now increase your height. That after that, select option call is get code. Is generating for 3-step code. Total 3-step code. Step 1, your page name. Step 2, generating code. Step 3, generating code. So in this, step 1 is called your page name and your ID. This is a common one. First of all, any option will be set by blog or any website. First of all, copy the step 3 code. Which one? Step 3 code. Copy the step 3 code. Go to your Blogger dashboard. Option call is layout. So where you can add by your social icons. Your right side or footer, your wish. But maximum you can select by the your content right side. They can see your content like your page. In this, select by right bar 1, right side, add your gadget. Any option will be selecting coding part. The option call is HTML by JavaScript. Add your code. Give me title icon. That is called Facebook. Select your save option. Finally, you can drag your position by end of the position. And same procedure, copy the step 2 code. Same option, layout, same, right bar, right one, HTML, title, empty, content, paste the code and save. After you can drag the position for the footer. Now save changes. Done my changes. Now previous we can look the screen. Any social icon will be there? No. I can see it. That for the purpose of like my page. So anyone like the page? Like. Clear? This is called increase your like purpose, your page like purpose using by the Facebook page plugin for each and every website. Any free website and premium website, add your Facebook plugin. It's the same process. Blogger or WordPress will be in option will be there. But any coding related website using by this processor. Go to your Facebook option.com /doc/ page plugin /page hyphen plugin. So this is a URL. Don't forget this URL. Keep it by here by this URL. Please note down. So what are the I'm adding for social for Facebook page plugin? This is eligible only for page purpose, not for the profile purpose. So if I don't have a page, so how to create? We can't create the without page, we can't create the plugin. This is eligible only for Facebook page, not for the profile. So I enter my profile URL, it will show, we can't. Only page will be showing for your website as a page plugin. That is called the Facebook page plugin.